Hello graduates and welcome to Tassel. At CUNY SPS, we use Tassel to help make sure that your name is pronounced and displayed on screen correctly during commencement. Today we're giving you a step-by-step guide to completing your Tassel registration and making the most of your commencement experience. You should have received an email prompting you to sign up for Tassel. If you haven't, contact the commencement team at commencement@sps.cuny.edu as soon as possible. If you've received the email, let's walk you through completing your Tassel setup. In the email, you'll find a link to set up your password. First, enter and confirm your password. Next, click Set Password once you're done. This will bring you to the Welcome page. On the Welcome page, click the Register button. This will lead you to the start of the form where you will review your name recording, give shoutouts to faculty, create your graduate slide, and share advice for future SPS students and more. Then click Start. In this form, you will confirm if you are registered to attend commencement, verify that your full name is correct, enter your preferred full name, opt in to receive text updates about commencement, and provide your phone number for notifications. Next, personalize your graduation slide. First, update a photo of your choice. Next, enter a personal message to share with family and friends. Now, let's make sure your name is pronounced correctly. This feature generates an AI-powered audio recording of your name. If the pronunciation is correct, click Confirm. If it's incorrect, click Try Again to regenerate it up to 2 more times. If the pronunciation is still wrong, a professional reader will record your name. In the phonetics section, type out your name's pronunciation using the provided examples as a guide. This helps ensure accuracy. Share your journey. Answer a few fun prompts. 1. What advice do you have for the next class of CUNY SPS students? 2. What are you doing after graduation? Your responses may be featured in a commencement video. Give a shout out to your favorite professor. Share a memorable moment or leave a heartfelt message. Your message may be shared with them post-graduation. Finally, confirm your updates by entering the date of submission. Want your family and friends to receive commencement updates? Enter their emails and they'll get notifications. Congratulations! Your Tassel setup is complete. If you have any questions, reach out to commencement@sps.cuny.edu. See you at graduation!